Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making dry pot potato. Let's get right to it. First, prepare some potato slices. Bake potato slices in air fryer until both sides are golden brown. Prepare pork belly slices, green bell pepper slices, red bell pepper slices, ginger slices, minced garlics, sliced scallion, and red chili pepper. With heated oil in the pan, add pork bellies and stir until they're a little burned. Add all the spices and stir. Add hot bean paste, soy sauce, and cooking oil. And stir well. Add bell pepper slices and stir. Then add potato slices, sugar, and salt. Stir well and dry pot potato is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. And see you until next time.